Why are immigration attorneys advising Indian nationals to initiate their green card while on an F-1 OPT EAD visa? Immigration attorneys are increasingly advising Indian nationals to initiate their green card process, specifically filing Form I-140, while still on their F-1 OPT EAD, rather than waiting to secure an H-1B visa. The primary driver for this shift is gaining a crucial head start against the massive Indian green card backlog by locking in a priority date as early as possible. Why? Attorneys recommend filing green card early on. F-1 OPT EAD, bypassing the unpredictable H-1B lottery. Historically, students expected to transition from OPT to H-1B to green card. However, the H-1B cap lottery is entirely luck-based. Applicant can maximize their 3-year STEM OPT and still fail to get selected. Filing for a green card directly on F-1 OPT EAD ensures that progress is being made regardless of lottery luck. Locking in an early priority date. For Indian nationals, the backlog for EB2 and EB3 categories spans decades. Your priority date is your official place in this line. By initiating a perm labor certification or filing an I-140 while you are on F-1 OPT EAD, an applicant establishes their line placement years earlier than someone who waits for an H-1B visa. Priority date. Portability. Once an I-140 is approved on OPT, that priority date belongs to the applicant forever. Even if the applicant has to leave the US temporarily, because their OPT expires, they can later port that early priority date to a future employer or use it to fast-track consular processing from India. Summary of the attorney strategy. Many attorneys are telling Indian nationals, do not treat the F-1 OPT EAD period as just a waiting room for the H-1B lottery. Instead, treat it as a high-value window to secure an early priority date via EB2 and EB3 categories there, by securing a long-term future in the US immigration system much sooner.
Please feel free to reach out to Artifint Robotics Technologies at 945-468-8100 for more information on starting an employment-based green card process for F-1 OPT EAD visa holders.